Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cucumber. First, let's prepare our cucumbers. Begin by washing them well under cool water. You might choose to peel them, particularly if they are larger or have a tougher skin. Then, slice them into consistent shapes, perhaps half-inch rounds or quarter-inch planks, ensuring even cooking. This initial step is crucial for a delicious outcome, setting the stage for our culinary adventure with this versatile vegetable. Sautéing is a fantastic way to bring out the subtle flavors of cucumber. Start by heating about 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Once warm, add your prepared cucumber slices. Cook them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they reach a tender, crisp texture. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps some fresh dill for an aromatic touch. It's a quick and delightful side dish. For a different texture and deeper flavor, roasting cucumbers is an excellent choice. Simply toss your cucumber pieces with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and some black pepper. Arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet to ensure even cooking. Then, roast them in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are slightly caramelized and tender. This method concentrates their natural sweetness beautifully. Now that you've cooked your cucumbers, how can you enjoy them? They make a wonderful warm side dish, pairing perfectly with grilled chicken, fish, or tofu. You can also elevate your grain bowls or salads by adding these tender, flavorful pieces for an interesting texture. For a creative meal, try incorporating them into a quick stir-fry or a light pasta dish. Cooked cucumber offers a surprisingly versatile and delicious addition to many meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.